Today we are going to reconstitute some roast beef that I did back in February of 2020. So 3-year-old roast beef, and I want to see how that's held up. Let's get her open. There's what it looks like after 3 years. And I am going to reconstitute it in that little tray there. Put some good pieces in there. And I got some beef bouillon, hot water, and a cube of beef bouillon. Cover that up with that. Might as well just put it all in there. Put my lid on that. And let's leave that set for about 3 minutes. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Okay, that's been 3 minutes. Let's see how she's getting on. This one, I did leave the gravy on it when I freeze dried it. Take a little piece out there and just see what it's doing. Oh yeah, that's coming together nicely. It's probably done now. Let me see. It's good, but we're going to leave another 30 minutes. Or 2 minutes. If we say 2, then it'd be a 5-minute rehydrate. That's a nice round number. Okay, that's been 2 minutes. Let's take this out. Now this was one of my first roast beefs, I think. And I used my meat slicer, and I did cut this a little bit thicker than later on videos. And I would probably cut that just a little bit thinner, because it would rehydrate so much quicker being shaved roast beef rather than this right here. But it seems to be handling up all right. Let's put that off to the side. Let's get my bread. Put some of my favorite Miracle Whip on there. Alright, put some roast beef on that. Nice slice of tomatoes and some iceberg lettuce, and throw the top on it. Well, let's see what that tastes like. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Mm-hmm. 3-year-old roast beef. Who would have known? That is very nice. Let's take a look at how that piece come out there. See how it falls apart? Pulls apart. Very nice. Tastes like roast beef. No rancidity or anything to that. No stale flavor to that at all. And there's a little bit of vein of fat there. Let's see if that takes away from the flavor of this. That is delicious. My sandwich is falling apart though. Well, you would have never guessed that was 3-year-old sitting on the counter beef. Or in my case, in a storage bin. I'm definitely happy with that. My thought process when I cut this, if I remember right, was I wanted to cut it a little bit thicker because I didn't want it to be too delicate and get all crunched up inside the bag. And it held up very well. Yeah, I am happy with that. So there you have it. Another success by John and Bibbs. 3-year-old roast beef sandwich. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.